Ms. Bonds, have you got your device together? Send me your name in the chat or your case number if you have one in the chat, please. I'm going to send you a chat.
That one I got the protector on it though. That one. I have no case, but they do got a screen. Oh, you know what? I just thought about that.
What?
She said she saw a crack on my new phone, and I said I just remembered that where the guy was, he put a screen protector on.
Yeah, and the screen protector looks like it's cracked, but it's not. The thing is not really cracked. That's crazy. All right. All right. Can you send me the information, Ms. Bonds? All right, we're about to get going here. As soon as I get Ms. Bonds' information. I don't know what's taking. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start letting them in.
Hello.
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 Good morning.
Good morning. Please mute your phones. Please place your phones on mute. Good morning. The Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins is presiding. While Zoom is in session, there will be no driving, no inappropriate appearance of any kind, no head wraps unless they represent religious purpose, no eating, drinking, sleeping, smoking, white t-shirts or hoodies. Please take heed to the, excuse me, please place your phone on mute. If you just entered, please place your phone on mute. Please take heed to the instructions. Court is in session.
Right. All right. Good morning, everyone. What I'm going to do is try to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, and I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I need you to be properly attired when I call your name. Hopefully you have an ink pen or something to write with to make sure you can take down the information if necessary. And we're gonna get going. Are we ready, Ms. Williams Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
I saw you come in.
You talking to me, Peter?
Yeah.
So you didn't see me come in?
I didn't. I don't see.
I'm
Oh, there you are.
not sure where the echo is coming from.
All right. City of Detroit versus Ted Gloucester, case number SP 181-91211. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Gloucester. Good morning to you. Oh, he has some other issues as well. Let's call case numbers
Do I have co-host, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
I will get you that. I will get you that.
Thank you.
This is number SP 183-183-6992, count one, SP 183-69931. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gloucester.
Ted Gloucester there? He was. Ted Gloucester. All right, let's pass the matter. I had let's call Brianna Little. It's the city of Detroit versus Brianna Marie Little, case number SP 177-29771. Good morning, Ms. Little. State your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Brianna Little.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. I see that you paid the $240, and we will dismiss that case. Let me see what's going on with this speeding ticket. Did you? The speeding ticket went into default, Mr. Berry. I don't know what happened and what happened with that. That came after you came here. I can see if Mr. Berry can get you an updated offer. I wouldn't have any issue with setting that default aside. We're going to dismiss the SP 177-29771. You paid it. For the other matter, that's in default. So technically the 3 points of, or whatever, 2 or 3 points, whatever the speeding on the 11 to 15 over is, has hit your license. I don't have any issue with setting the default aside and allowing you to be heard if the city has no objection. Do you want Mr. Berry to try to address that for you?
Yes, please.
All right, we're going to pass the matter, wait on the city to come in, and we'll see if Mr. Berry can address that for you, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
So do I stay on?
Yeah, you need to stay on.
Okay.
Is Rayshawn Little here?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Rayshawn Jamal Little. You have another issue as well. Let's see. Case number SP 177-29721 and SP 184-90921. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Mr. Little. Please state your name for the record.
Rayshawn Little.
All right. Good morning to you, sir. On SP 177-29721, I'm going to dismiss that case. You paid it. Run his driver's license, please. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. There's a driver while license suspended as purpose on arraignment for 212. Purposes of arraignment now, Ms. Harris.
Purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Little, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Let's see. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. Let's pass the matter. Lillian Openshaw. City of Detroit versus Lily Openshaw. 7639831. Ms. Openshaw, good morning to you. State your name for the record.
Lillian Openshaw.
Ma'am. Turn your camera on. Everybody's got to turn their camera on when I call the case. All right, good morning to you.
Good morning to you too.
Today is the date and time set for a review. For order to pay $240, you paid. I'm going to dismiss the case, Ms. Openshaw. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Lewis Harmon. What about, does he have a license? No, he's weird. Okay. Lewis Harmon. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning.
What happened to Lewis Harmon? Do we get his? You didn't get. This is City of Detroit versus Lewis A. Herman A. Lewis. Case number SP 169-12182. Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please. All right. Good morning, sir. Today is date and time set for a review. You were ordered to pay $240. I don't see that you paid that. What's going on?
I gave them some money at the beginning of the court trial. They were supposed to for a bond or whatever. And they said they were using it towards that. My lawyer didn't tell me I needed any money other than what I paid already.
I don't see a bond here.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I do not see a bond.
Well, I paid what my lawyer said I should pay.
Well, you haven't paid what I said you should pay.
Okay, so
$240. If there was a bond here, we would have applied the bond to whatever you claim you posted in bond, but I don't see a bond posted at all here.
yeah, I paid what my lawyer, so, but 240, okay, so
When can you pay it?
next week.
Or what day next week?
I don't know. We can pick a day next week. I don't have, any day next week. Pick a day. Next Friday. What date is next Friday or Thursday?
Next Friday is the 13th.
All right, let's do Friday the 13th.
We'll do Friday the 13th. Pay it at any DivDack kiosk in the city of Detroit. You can upload the DivDack app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's an issue that you thought you paid and you have some kind of receipt, you need to take that down to the cashier to get that issue taken care of. But here I don't see anything that said that you paid.
So let me ask you that. So any money that I've paid towards this encounter or this case is, would it have gone anywhere? Could it have gone anywhere else?
It could have gone to something else as far as some other money that you owe. It could have very.
Let me see.
That was dismissed. When did you think you paid?
Well, I paid. I know I asked for like I asked for something, and they told me that, well, you have to put so much money up cover everything in order for this to happen. It was some court procedure. They said, well, you got to put a bond up.
All of your most recent stuff is dismissed, sir, so that wouldn't have, and I don't see any bond that you posted. If you put a bond up, then they would have given you a receipt. And then,
Well, this is the facts. I gave them like almost $300. So,
all right,
I
I can't help you. I've told you, if they gave you some money, if you put some money, they would have given you a receipt. If you have the receipt, you can take the receipt down there and discuss that with the cashier. But as it says here, I don't see anything that suggests that you paid anything. That's all I can do.
I'm not asking you to do anything. We already have a date set for next
Very
week.
well. Have a very good day, sir, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. All right, is Maurice Gandy here? All right. Miss Harris, you have your hand up?
Never mind.
Judge, can you co-host me? Sorry.
That's all right.
Good
Ms.
morning,
Harris,
Your
you had
Honor.
your raise? I'm sorry, Ms. Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right. Can we get the gentleman's name? I thought he was Marciela Lopez, but he's not. I see Marciela Hernandez Lopez on the screen. Get that gentleman's name and a case number. His name is Lopez, I know.
Okay. Señora López, Marcela.
No.
Buenos días.
Señor, necesitamos por favor su primer nombre. Señor, su primer nombre.
Jorge García López.
Jorge, dígame.
García
García
López.
López.
Does he have a case number?
Señor, ¿tiene usted el número de su caso?
No.
No.
All right, give me a minute. All right.
Permítanos un momento.
Sí, gracias.
8:45, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Harris, you had your hand raised, and I was trying to address whatever.
I responded. Were you able, you didn't hear me? I said it was okay. It was not an issue, but he is on the docket at 8:45.
I don't see him at 8:45. I see Garcia, Jorge Garcia Lopez. Oh, very well. All right. All right. Miss Villarreal, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Please.
Yes, sir. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, C3822.
And can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the matter now before the court, not divulge confidential. So help you God.
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Miss Marciela Lopez, buenos dias. ¿Necesitas interpreter?
Buenos días. Sí, por favor.
Yes, please.
It's
Yes, please.
It's
Está
Miss-
bien, yo soy su traductora. I am your interpreter.
It's Mr. Barry or Miss, are you ready, Miss Harris? Ms.
I
Harris, are
have
you?
one. I do have one that still needs to go on the record. Mr. Berry
Let's
is
go back.
present.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Rayshawn Little. Mr. Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
We are respectfully requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Little?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for a trial on the 20th of February, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
So what time did you say?
At 9 a.m., the 20th of February.
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you. All right, City of Detroit versus Marciela Hernandez Lopez, case number SP 183-7963, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Quería llamar el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Marcela Hernández López, número de caso SP 183-7963, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lopez, please state your name for the record.
Soy Cherica Harris representando a la señora López. Usted, por favor, señora, díganos su nombre completo.
Mi nombre es Marcela Hernández López.
My name is Marcela Hernandez Lopez.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lopez, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente, darle una fianza de $0. Señora Hernández López, la vamos a pasar ahora virtualmente a una sala privada de consulta, donde usted va a poder hablar con la señora Harris. Ella va a tratar de conseguirle usted una oferta de resolución actualizada, pero tenga en mente que si usted no le gusta la oferta de resolución, tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte ahora la invitación donde dice join o unirse para pasar a la sala 3.
Your Honor, I only see one count on the docket.
Su señoría, yo tan solo veo un cargo aquí en la lista de causas.
She's in the breakout room. The other count, disregarding the traffic control device that's in default. I wouldn't have an issue with setting the default aside if the city doesn't have any objection. All right, let's pass the matter. Mr. Berry, did you get something on Miss Little?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let's
We
go
have an
back on the
offer,
record. Let's go back on
limited
the record.
access. Oh,
Let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Miss Little, I've given you an opportunity to speak. Well, I haven't given you that opportunity yet. Mr. Berry, what is the offer?
limited access 1 to 5.
All right, Ms. Little, that limited access 1 to 5 is a 0-point offense. It does abstract to the Secretary of State, but it doesn't carry any points. You want to take the deal?
Yeah.
$125.
You said 125?
Yes.
Okay.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
All right, find your client responsible for the amended count of, well, the other matter is going to be dismissed because, not by stipulation, but because she paid. When can you pay? $125, ma'am.
I say give me like 2 to 3 weeks.
I'm going to give you till March the 6th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the city of Detroit versus, did you get your device together, Ms. Gaston?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Ah, thank you.
Case number SP 653 counts 1 and. How are you on? Listening on YouTube as well, ma'am?
No, I'm on my computer.
Something's going on where we're here.
Are you on more than one device?
No,
You're not on more than,
I'm just on my computer, my laptop.
and does your laptop have YouTube pulled up as well?
No, I don't see it.
Gotta do it another way.
Something's going on. City of Detroit versus case number SP. Case number SP 1006537, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Ms. Gaston.
You're gonna have to unmute yourself and state.
Denise Bonds Gaston.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm gonna give your client a $0 bond. She's gotta be signed on. She's gotta be signed on another device or something's going on. She has two old, just to let her know, she has two old matters and no registration. It seemed like they went along with this. They've been long in default, but I just want to let her know she owes 306 on one and 228 on the other. Ms. Gaskin, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Thank you.
Pass the matter.
Judge,
Yes.
could you put my clients in a breakout room, Mr. Goodlet and Mr. Darnell Green? Excuse me.
Mr. Goodlet, I'm going to put you in breakout room 5. Mr. Green, I'm going to put you in breakout room 6. Mr. Goodlet, press *6 to unmute your device, please. You said Darnell Green is your client?
Yes, and Mr. Goodlet. I don't think the other one checked in.
Who's the other one?
Nicholas Lee.
All right, Mr. Green, join the breakout room and wait on this side. All right. Let me start naming a few of these people that are in the waiting room.
How much time did you give Mr. Herman
Oh, it's on there. I think I didn't write it on there. He said the 13th.
Okay, thank you.
All right, on the Samsung device, did the Samsung device ever join? Oh, they're not joined yet. iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera? Good morning to you. State your name, please.
Natasha Lewis.
Oh, I've already spoken to you, Ms. Lewis.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry. iPhone, unmute yourself, start your camera.
Robbie.
No. I've already spoke to you. You don't need to respond. Good morning. Good morning. iPhone, I'm asking you to unmute yourself. I'm sending you the prompt to unmute yourself. iPhone. We'll put you back in the waiting room. You're not responding. TCL.
Yeah, we brought her.
Morning to all of you. Juwan. Unmute yourself, start your camera. Good morning to you. Juwan.
Good morning.
What is your name, sir? Camera.
Juwan Lay.
All right, make sure you're properly timed. Your matter doesn't 3:30, 9 o'clock, half hour grace. What is your name?
Emerald Gray.
Great.
Emerald Gray.
Emerald Gray, and you are here for
A traffic violation?
a traffic violation. Good morning to all of you. Emerald Gray.
Her family, that's what they're doing.
All right, run her license, please.
At 8:30. It was an Emerald Jean.
Yes.
Coming out.
You don't have to give us any.
Okay. You still go out in the hall
Yeah,
now?
just the bench right across.
No, just wait a minute.
Have a way to hear that.
It just said, let me see what the license said.
Let me mute your phone.
On the Samsung, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please? Samsung, unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please. Good morning to you, sir. Now you need to unmute yourself. What is your name, sir? Good morning to you. Okay, he's not coming through now. He's got something going on with his audio. Mr. Dupree, Mr. Latin is here. I can put you in a breakout room with him if you need one. Good morning to you.
Morning, Judge. I was just checking in. I don't know if we have an officer yet on Mr. Latin.
All right, city attorney is here as well.
Very good. Thank you.
And good morning, everyone. Just need co-host capability to move around, Your Honor.
Morning, Ms. Horn. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaston. Ms. Gaston, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, the court could confirm that she has a valid license.
Can you run her license, please? All right, gentlemen on the Samsung with the white button-up shirt on, can you state your name, please? All right, you're gonna have to get somebody to help you. You're unmuted here, so you don't have to do anything. It's something going on with your device where we can't hear you. You're unmuted, so it should be working, but I don't know what else you need to do. Yes, his license is valid, Mr. Berry.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client has shown valid insurance and we would seek dismissal.
All right, Ms. Gaston, I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. You still owe the court the amounts of money that's listed here. You owe 2 reinstatement fees also at $45 a piece. If you don't have anything further, these cases are dismissed. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you so much.
Well, best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit, Mr. Berry. Versus Anjanae Goodwin. It's not scheduled till 1:30, but Anjanae Goodwin, case number SP 184-87941, SP 184-89511, SP 184-8988, count 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Goodwin.
Is she still here?
Ajane Goodwin.
All right, turn your camera on, ma'am.
For purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not
Hello?
guilty
I
on your
can't hear
client's.
anything.
Turn your camera on, ma'am.
The host has access. Okay. It's
All right,
on.
I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Goodwin has an expired plate, disregarding a red signal, and unregistered untitled, Mr. Berry. Mr. Goodwin, Mr. Berry is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay? Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please. All right, did you get them an advice or rights form?
I'm ready on Lewis, Natasha Lewis, and Andrew Green, Your Honor, Jr.
What are they gonna do?
Natasha Lewis's request, both of them are requesting final pretrials.
Final pretrial. What's the purpose of the final? Let's call it City of Detroit versus Andre Lamont Green Jr. Case number SP 182-93961, SP 182-9417, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1688357. Let me see. And SP 1688373, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
Andre Lamont Green, Jr.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Why do we need another final pretrial instead of a trial date, Mr. Soroka?
Mr. Green is going to request a jury trial. And before we even get to that point, Your Honor, he's been double charged on these. They're the same tickets issued by the same police officer, and it's been put in the computer on. One was put on a computer as dated 11/12/2025, the incident. The other one shows 11/13/2025. So they're one day off in their entry into the computer system.
And the license thing?
Yes. Sir, let me take care of that, please.
You don't have any new notifications.
Well,
the other issue is
the first bringing about double charged. I do see 11/12/2025 at 11:03 a.m. City of Detroit, Springle Street and Burner Highway, as the allegation was made. Then the other one, 11/13/2025, Springle Street and Burner Highway. So it could appear that is correct, that he has been double charged. I don't know that that's the case. He could have had the two incidents on 2 different days, but nevertheless, as far as it relates to the him wanting a jury trial, we're going to set a jury trial date, and then we will set a final pretrial date. Can I get a jury trial date, Ms. Mathis? Yes. Please.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Well, you spoke with the attorney, right?
Yes.
So what's going on?
Here's the other issue you want me to
talk. Go ahead, talk.
All right. Those tickets, as you can see, they're wrote in a Michigan's driver's license. I ain't had a Michigan driver's license in years. I have an Indiana driver's license. I gave the officer my Indiana driver's license. I currently work at Chrysler. I do skilled trade, so I got a Chrysler lease. That's insurance fraud on my end. That I got a ticket in Michigan driver's license, but I'm insured under Indiana. You get what I'm saying? So the officer.
No, I don't. You're just like I said. You don't get what you're saying.
Well, I have an Indiana driver's license. The officer wrote me all those tickets.
What difference does that make? What does that have anything to do with reckless driving, failure to stop at a stop sign, and driving in an unsafe manner? What does that, because you have an Indiana driver's license, then you couldn't be in Michigan, reckless driving, running stop signs and driving in
No,
a
I'm not saying that. I'm not saying
Okay,
that. I'm
so
saying
that's the only issue that is really before the court. Whether you have an Indiana driver's license, a Michigan driver's.
Okay. I'm just ready for trial because I wasn't reckless driving and I didn't run no
Okay,
stop
there
sign.
it is.
So
That's why we're gonna
I'm ready
get you.
for trial. But like I said, I got an issue with my job and the vehicle that I got and who I'm insured under. That's what I'm
Okay.
trying to tell you. All because the officer put a Michigan driver's license on that ticket and I gave him an Indiana driver's license. I'm not disputing the other stuff. I'm willing to go to trial on that. I'm talking about the issue that I have that the
Mr.
officer
Green,
did.
Mr. Green, you're talking too much, all right? Because
all right.
Here's what you've done. Here's what you've accomplished in the stuff that you just told me. First and foremost, it's the officer's burden and the people's burden to prove each and every element of the case. One of those elements, and the main element, is it was Mr. Green that we pulled over. So you've already given them that element already. So that's not even in dispute. Secondly, then they have to produce and prove every other element that you were reckless driving, running a stop sign, whatever. But you've already given them the biggest one of the elements that they need, that it was you that they pulled over.
They're going to have that anyway,
your attorney
sir.
was trying to tell you. That's why your attorney was trying to tell you to be quiet. And I tried to tell you to be quiet, but you insist on talking. Why don't you let your attorney do his job? I got a jury trial date for March the 10th. This may be my first jury trial, Mr. Shiroki. A jury trial date. I mean, as a judge, I've done plenty of them as a lawyer, but as a judge,
It's impressive. You've been a judge a long time, yeah.
Yeah, well, they say the best judges don't have trials, so I think I've been doing pretty good, but it sounds like Mr. Green wants his day in court. Also, 3/10/2026, we're going to set a final pretrial date, and that final pretrial date will be we'll set the final pretrial date for the day before that, so we can make sure that the trial is going to go through. 2020, and let Ms. Horn know that I want all parties to appear. They can appear via Zoom. All parties appear on the final pretrial date. That way we make sure that we're not calling a jury in and the officer doesn't appear, because I'm sure Mr. Green is going to be here.
Judge, just to let you know, you have a jury trial. I have another jury trial on that date in your court on March 10th and Jermaine Good.
All right, we'll have two of them then.
Okay, just letting you know. That's fine.
All parties must appear on March 9th for final pretrial. And then if you have any motions that are going to be filed, give me 1 second.
So do you want another date for the jury trial?
No, I don't know. I don't think that both of them will go anywhere.
Okay.
All right, that's cut off for officers. If we have any motions that need to be filed, let's have those motions due by Mr. Green on motion due on what is that, February? I would say 16th. I'd say 16th. And because I'm going to be out, I'm not going to be there on the 23rd that week. No, I'll be here the 23rd. Let's say motions due by February 23rd for for the defendant, Mr. Green, and then a response, if any, by the people will be due the very next week on March the 2nd.
Your Honor, the people would ask for courtesy 2 weeks as well.
Well, it's kind of tight. It's kind of tight. We'll cross that bridge if we get to it, if there are any motions. So here, Ms. Horn, have your officers appear on the final pretrial date of March 9th. We have a jury trial set on March the 10th, okay?
And Your Honor, can I just go over the details with you? I didn't catch the name nor the case.
Okay, so it's Andre Lamont Green Jr.
Okay.
I know he's going to raise an issue with the 2 counts. It does appear that he may have been double charged on this for some reason or other. I don't know. One is SP 16883-571, along with the civil infractions that went with that case number, and then SP 18293-3961. They're the same allegations. Reckless driving plus the failure to stop and the other civil infraction of unsafe manner. They have been charged on one date of November the 12th at the 11:03 in the same area, and the other allegation was November the 13th. So it does appeer that that is an issue. I don't know. Maybe he did the same thing on the different days and around the same time and in the same area. I don't know. But those are the issues that he's going to raise with those charges. All right.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. And is he represented by counsel?
Mr. Soroki.
Got it. Thank you. Mr. Soroki, I'll get with you on that. Jury trial March 9th, correct?
Thank you. No, March 10th is the jury trial. The final
pretrial.
pretrial is March 9th.
Okay. I'll talk with you about it.
Okay.
The parties here on the final pretrial, we want to make sure that we're not calling a jury in for something that's not going to go. If the parties do not appear on the final pretrial, we're going to dismiss the case.
Well,
all right,
what
sounds
time,
good,
sir?
Your Honor.
You didn't have a time.
8:30.
All right.
Do you have anything else you want to say, Mr. Green?
No, I'm cool.
All right, very well. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, okay?
Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you. I'm also ready on Miss Natasha Lewis, Your Honor.
Natasha Lewis?
Yes.
I see you, Mr. Ajazi. I'm going to give you permission to speak to city if you need to.
Thank you.
Your client. Mr. Ajazi, who's your client?
Oh, sorry, Your Honor. I have 2 today. It's Deshaun Lawrence for the first one. We were looking for a trooper, Brian Boken. And then I have James Lee Shore.
That's a civil infraction as well?
Correct.
All right. City of Detroit, Mr. Soroki versus Natasha Lewis. Case number SP 182-9265, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 183-09401. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441. I'm here on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Natasha Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, do you want to say anything, Ms. Lewis?
No, she's controlled.
No, no, I'm trying to just make sure everything is everything and I understand everything and that's it. I don't have any problems.
We have Mr. Soroki there for. What does Ms. Lewis want to do, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, I haven't obtained the discovery yet. I was recently appointed on this case that I talked to her about possible try, just set it for trial and I'd have the discovery by then. And Miss Lewis, if you set it for trial, do you want a jury trial or a bench trial in this matter?
Yeah, I don't think she know, she want, you
Yeah, I don't
need to
know
have
what
the.
I should do.
Okay. All right. Well, if we could just request a final
Stop.
pre-trial.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you a pretrial date, February 23rd, 2026 at 8:30, Ms. Lewis. If you don't have anything further, keep in touch. Mr. Soroki will explain those things to you, and you should be able to ask him anything related to this, and he should be able to answer questions as far as procedure and things like that. He's going to order the discovery, and he'll be able to have an opportunity to go over that with you as well. Okay.
Okay, I didn't catch the time again.
8:30.
Okay.
Anything further?
No, thank you.
Nothing further, Your Honor. Thank you.
Very well. All right, you're going to need to go out into the hallway, and I'm going to get you an attorney. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Corporal Bennett. I have to go to check in Judge Ramsey Heap's courtroom if that's okay.
Very well.
Thank you, sir.
Still on your phone? Okay. All right. So let's get Mr. Berry. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Goodwin. Ms. Goodwin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the disregarding a red signal. The remaining matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Goodwin?
Yes, I do.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf. I don't like it having to continue to tell you that you need to turn your camera on. I don't like that.
Yeah, I just had my camera on, but for some reason it's messing up. It's not working.
What?
Yeah, I just had the camera on. Like I had the camera on the whole time, but I just clicked off and went back on. It's not working.
All right, click it on now, please. Turn the camera on. All right, I'm not gonna play this game with you. Pass it. I'm gonna put you out because I think you're driving now.
He's at work. He works outside.
All right, I'm not playing that game with her. All right.
Judge, I think we're ready on Mr. Latin.
All right, we're good. Does Miss Robin Glenn have an attorney? Were you represented by anyone, Miss Glenn?
No, sir.
For some reason, I thought, okay, City of Detroit versus Robin Antoinette Glenn, case number SP 1647655, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1647621. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Glenn.
Robin Glenn.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Glenn, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. You let us know what you want to do when you come out, please.
Okay.
I will pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez, with Miss Marciela Lopez. Ms. Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver en el acta con el caso de la señora Hernández López. Señora Hernández López, le di la oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Dígame, abogada, ¿qué quieren hacer?
Your Honor, my client will admit responsibility to the amended count of blocking traffic.
Su señoría, mi cliente va a admitir ser responsable al cargo modificado de haber bloqueado el tráfico.
You want to take the deal, Miss Lopez?
¿Esta oferta usted quiere aceptar, señora López?
Sí, claro.
Yes, of course.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y abogada puede estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para la declaración.
So stipulated, Your Honor. We stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal.
Así lo estipuló su señoría y también estipuló que hay causa razonable para desestimar.
All right, with those stipulations, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Ms. Lopez, when can you pay it?
Y con eso, entonces encuentro que su cliente es responsable del cargo modificado de haber bloqueado el tráfico. La multa es $175. Señora López, ¿para cuándo pudiera usted pagar esa cantidad?
Mañana mismo.
Tomorrow I can.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If it's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, please.
Muy bien, señora, pues usted puede venir en persona a la corte para pagarlo. También usted puede pagarlo en línea, por teléfono, o puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos que se llaman DivDat en la ciudad de Detroit. Hasta puede poner el app en su teléfono para pagarlo de esa manera.
Claro que sí.
Y si no tiene algo que agregar, que tenga usted muy buen día.
Igualmente. Hasta luego.
I wish you the same. Thank you.
Luego. All right. City of Detroit, Ms. Villarreal versus Jorge Garcia Lopez. Case number SP 183-5726, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Jorge García López, número de caso SP 183-5726, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Cherica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Soy Cherica Harris, representando al acusado. Usted, señor, díganos su nombre.
Jorge García López.
Jorge García López.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Para el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente va a guardar silencio.
All right. And good morning to you, sir. And a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. I'm going to give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Garcia Lopez, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Muy bien, entonces voy a procesar una declaración de no culpable para su cliente. Y buenos días a usted, señor López García
Buenos
López.
días.
Good morning. Y le vamos a dar una fianza de $0. Vamos a pasarlo ahora a una sala privada de consulta virtualmente para que pueda hablar con la señora Harris. Ella le va a conseguir una oferta de resolución actualizada. Y si no le gusta la oferta, usted tiene todo derecho de ir a juicio. Acepte la invitación para pasar a una sala privada. Yes, thank you.
Very well, let's pass the matter. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Sebastian Gonzalez Machados. Case numbers SP 1833668, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1833721. Appearance for the record, please.
Se llama ahora el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Sebastián Alejandro González Machados. Números de caso SP 183-36681, cargos 8, cargos 1 y 2, y SP 183-37121.
Do we need an interpreter?
Necesitamos intérprete.
Yes, we do, just to be on the safe side.
Go ahead.
Sí,
I'm
para
sorry.
evitar algún otro problema. Y cargo SP 183-37121. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Good morning, may it please this honorable court, Dion Webster Cox, P 70422, and I represent Mr. Gonzalez.
Buenos días, con el permiso de esta corte honorable. Habla la señora Dion Webster Cox, número P70422, representando al señor González Machados.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Gonzalez Machados. State record, please.
Y buenos días a usted, señor González Machados. Por favor, usted diga su nombre completo.
Días, mi nombre es Sebastián González Machado.
Good morning. My name is Sebastian Gonzalez Machados.
All right, good morning. Good morning, Corporal Bennett. Good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, and department for the record, please? Let Ms. Villarule interpret, please.
Y buenos días a usted, Cabo Bennett. Por favor, díganos su nombre y número de chapa y para que la señora Villarreal pueda interpretar, por favor.
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Sí, su señoría, soy el Cabo Bennett, número de chapa 4320 del Departamento de Policía de la Ciudad de Detroit.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial/formal hearing. Ms. Webster, have you worked it out?
Así que lo que teníamos fijado para hoy es tener el juicio o una audiencia formal. Dígame, señora Webster Cox, ¿ya han llegado a alguna resolución?
Yes, Your Honor. My client is going to plead to blockading and the remaining counts will be dismissed.
Sí, su señoría, mi cliente se va a declarar culpable al cargo de haber bloqueado tránsito, reconociendo que el resto de los cargos quedan desestimados.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Gonzalez?
Y señor González, ¿esa es la oferta que usted quiere aceptar?
Claro.
Of course.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf.
Y señor abogado, puede usted estipular que yo puedo depender de lo que dice la boleta de infracción para establecer un fundamento para esta declaración?
Yes.
Sí.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
¿Y puede estipular que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros asuntos?
Yes.
Sí.
We'll stipulate it.
Así lo estipulo.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, Mr. Gonzalez. When can you pay it?
Así que encuentro que su cliente sí es responsable al cargo modificado de que había bloqueado el tráfico. La multa es $175. Dígame, señor González, ¿para cuándo puede usted pagar esto?
Un plazo de 15 días.
2 weeks.
Pay it by March the 6th. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you both, okay?
Muy bien, señor. Entonces yo le voy a permitir usted hasta el 6 de marzo para que alcance a pagar ese monto. Usted puede venir en persona a la corte a pagarlo, o usted puede ir a cualquiera de los kioscos que se llaman DivDat, que se encuentran en la ciudad de Detroit. Hasta puede poner el app en su teléfono para pagarlo de esa manera. Si no tiene algo que agregar, le quiero desear a usted muy buen día y buena suerte.
Thank you very much. Have a great day, Your Honor.
Muchísimas gracias y que usted tenga un día muy bueno, su señoría.
Have a better one.
And thank you very much.
All right. Okay. Who's ready? You said Latin. What's going to happen with Latin? All right. Who's ready?
Ready, yes, Ms. Glenn, Your Honor.
I don't think so. What's your name?
Let's go back on the record with
Wait
Ms.
a minute. My God.
Have some talking.
No, I don't think so. Hold on.
Dupree, Mr. Dupree. Well, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glenn. Ms. Glenn, I've given you.
Hold on. Excuse me, please mute your phone.
I've given you an opportunity, Ms. Glenn, to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to enter a plea to allowing for the driver's license never having been acquired, the other two matters to be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Glenn?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
No,
Say that again?
No, I'm listening to you.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yeah.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
And you understood those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to November the 21st, 2024 at around 11:55 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of McNichols and Trinity. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
And did the officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
And you couldn't do so, could you, ma'am?
No.
And why is that?
Because I don't have one.
Very well. I'm going to find your client guilty as to the amended count of allowing. With stipulation of probable cause, we'll dismiss the other matters, Mr. Berry.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
140, ma'am. You already owe 175. I'm waiving the warrant fees. You have $150 in warrant fees. I'm going to waive those. When can you pay the 240? That's all I'm concerned about.
I can pay the 240 next week, sir.
All right, what day?
I'm going to say the 13th.
All right, you want to come back on the 13th, ma'am? If it's paid, I'll dismiss this case, okay?
Okay.
All right, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, Ms. Glenn, have a very good rest of your day. I'll see you back next week. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.
I have Officer Franklin on the phone.
Yes, he was late.
He says,
Go ahead.
Kyle Lucas and Tierra Laws. He says he apologizes. He has to go. He said he has no recollection.
No recollection. Very well. Is this Miss Gray?
He said, can he go? Can he be removed?
He can. Miss Gray, are you there? You have to unmute yourself, man, by pressing *6.
Hello?
Is that Miss Gray?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Emerald Jean Gray, case number SP 178-51631. And Mr. Berry, there's two other cases. I wouldn't have any issue with setting those matters aside if the city has no objection. That would be SP 178-5161, counts 1 and counts 2. One is a wrong way driving and the other is a no insurance proof. That no insurance proof has a reinstatement fee on it. I will allow Ms. Gray to pay the reinstatement fee up front so that she can potentially set herself up to get a valid driver's license. Mr. Berry, purposes of arraignment.
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
And we'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We're going to give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Gray, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Okay, she's in the room, Mr. Berry. I think that no insurance civil infraction is has her license suspended, I believe.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Good.
I apologize. I was in the wrong meeting for about an hour. So I joined a little late, but I am interested in speaking with an attorney or being appointed attorney at your earliest convenience, sir.
Absolutely. All right. Who's ready?
Judge, I'm ready on Jawan Latin.
Latin. Did I print it out? Did you say what?
I don't have a printout.
All right. City of Detroit versus Jawan Latin, case number U61160-121. Appearance for the record, please.
Matthew Dupree, P 0132 for the defendant. Your name, please, Mr. Latin. You're muted, Mr. Latin. You got to unmute.
Jawan Latin.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Day and date and time set for a trial. Has there been a resolution or is there an officer here? Let's see. Is there Officer Pawlowski here? Pawlowski. Officer Pawlowski. Not hearing that officer respond. And not seeing that officer on my list. Did you talk to the city about it?
Yes, Judge. He does not appear to be here.
And that's correct, Your Honor. I didn't speak with him in the officer's room, and I asked Mr. Dupree to check if the court checked him in before I arrived. We cannot proceed without him, Your Honor.
Well, the other people that are in the waiting room, I don't know their names, but they're here after the fact anyway. Go ahead, Mr.
Judge would move to dismiss.
Case dismissed. There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is that all you have, Mr. Dupree?
That's it for me, Judge. Have a nice day.
As well. All right. Who else is ready? Any other retained attorneys ready?
Judge, I'm ready on Lucien O'Donnell.
City of Detroit versus Lucien O'Donnell, case numbers SP 1804519, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to all the parties. Attorney Patrick Barry, P84539. We have the defendant, Lucien O'Donnell.
All right. Good. As for purposes of your client's presence, counselor.
Yes, Your
Honor. Correct.
Yes, Judge. I'm retained, and my client has authorized me to enter into any sort of settlement.
All right. I will waive your client's presence.
Thank you, Judge.
Is there now? You know your client has 2 more tickets, right?
I was not aware of that, Judge. Thank you for letting me know.
SP 1857526, counts 1 and counts 2. One is a no insurance proof, and the other is a no valid registration. But as for these tickets, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, good morning to you. Can you state your name? Let me bring him out. He's here. Have you worked it out?
Your Honor, I wasn't in a breakout room with the officer.
Pardon me?
I wasn't put in a breakout room with the officer.
All right. Go to the breakout room and speak to the city attorney. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Yes, good morning. I'm Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning to you. So, Counselor, I'm going to let you speak to the city attorney.
Thank you, Judge.
The other 2 tickets, the no insurance proof and no valid registration, those allegations were made on January 27th. So I don't know if you're going to represent her on all of those or whether you're going to get a new agreement with her. I don't know. I just give you the information. I'm going to pass the matter. Go to breakout room. Well,
They said the condition was again.
Mr. Soroki, can you?
Sorry,
can you mute?
Judge. Sorry.
All right.
Judge, Attorney Rummy said he was kicked out. Could you let
Let me put you in, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, do you mind speaking to attorney, or do you want to wait on the city?
I already spoke with the the city attorney, in regards to this case.
All right, how did you want to resolve it?
Is this for O'Donnell?
Yes.
Yeah, it was impeding.
All right, and blocking traffic, and you want to see if you can wrap the other stuff up as well, or you want to come back for the other stuff?
I'll have to come back for the other stuff, Judge.
Oh.
All right, you want to take the deal, blocking traffic, $175?
Yes, Judge.
You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the client we have?
We do, Judge. Thank you.
You stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
All right, find your client responsible as to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. Have your client pay it by February 19th, 2026. What about the other two? Do you want us to put that on the track, or do you want to have her set the matter for, she has 14 days to set the matter for for either a formal hearing? Let me see what it's set for, if she's addressed it at all. No, so she has really until the 11th of February to make sure she either calls or does something with it. We can put a hearing date on there, or she can do it herself.
Your Honor, I think I'll have my client do it himself, see if he'll retain me for that matter and get that filing.
Very well. Very well. Best of luck to you, Counselor. Have a very good day. Officer Fitzgerald Harris, if you don't have anything further, you're free to leave as well. You be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Garcia Lopez. Mr. Garcia Lopez, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Vamos a volver ahora en el acta con el caso del señor García López. Señor García López, le dio oportunidad de hablar con su abogada en una sala privada de consulta. Abogada, ¿qué quiere ser su cliente?
Your Honor, these will be dismissed pursuant to recommendation.
Su señoría, estos cargos quedan desestimados según la recomendación.
This is our best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Cargos desestimados, señor, que tenga usted muy buen día y buena suerte que le deseamos.
Oh, no tengo nada entonces. Ticket ni nada.
I don't have anything then. It's done.
It's done.
Se acabó el caso, le quitaron todos los cargos.
Oh, muchas gracias.
Oh, thank you very much.
Gracias. Hasta luego.
Have a good day, sir.
Tenga usted buen día, señor.
Igualmente, buen día.
Same to you. Have a good day.
You as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I think that you're done. Maybe, we'll get in touch with you if we need you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate that. Have a great day.
As well.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Harris, this is the City of Detroit versus, you go ahead. I'm waiting on your attorney. City of Detroit versus Michael Anthony Owens. Case number SP 1830039, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Owens, please state your name for the record.
Michael Anthony Owens.
Oh, he's got his volume together, huh? Mr. Owens?
Yeah. Yes.
Good morning to you. Mr. Owens, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, we'll pass the matter. Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gray. Ms. Gray, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Ms. Gray?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for February the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, I didn't get the advice or rights, Officer Wilson.
I'm sorry, Judge, I gave it to Samantha.
If it's nothing further, Ms. Gray, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Is that for good,
Thank you,
Judge?
sir.
No, that's for the one I gave.
All right. She's done. Back to 20th.
Oh, I only have good.
For the lady that's outside.
Right.
Okay.
All right. Let's, who else is ready?
Yeah, go check.
Your Honor, I'm
Okay.
ready on mine.
Who do you have, Mr. Ajazi? Let me get Mr. Bear.
I'm sorry.
On
Yeah, do I need to turn it off now? They're gonna set me a court date for the 20th.
Put your telephone number.
Oh, I did.
Octavius Lewis. Do you have an attorney appointed to you?
No, I don't. You asked me to appear in regards to getting everything cleared up.
Can you run his license? City of Detroit versus Octavius Lewis, case number SP 1800035, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lewis.
Yes, my name is Rome Lewis.
Have a great day. All right, today is the date and time set for a free trial. Mr. Lewis, Mr. Barry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him. You let us know what you want to do when you come out. Is the license valid?
I gotta run it one more time.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. It's called the City of Detroit versus Ibrahim Mohammed Ahmed Omar. Case number SP 182-89081. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Rajam, is that Mr. Hajazi? Is that your client?
You're
All right,
muted,
you're
Mr.
muted.
Hajazi.
Am I still muted?
No. Appearance for the record is no, Noonan is not. What's your client's name, Mr. Hajazi?
I have Deshaun Lawrence and then James Lee Shore, 2 people.
Deshaun Lawrence. And you're ready on both of them?
I believe so, Your Honor. We were going to check if the officers appeared. I didn't see them.
Is this a civil infraction?
Correct, Your Honor.
City of strike that, State of Michigan versus Deshaun Lawrence, case number SX 464-31831. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830, on behalf of Deshaun Lawrence. Your Honor, this is a civil infraction. I would be requesting a waiver of my client's presence.
And you have the authority to enter any agreement on your client's behalf. Is that correct?
I do have authority.
All right, I'll waive the client's presence. Was there a trooper here?
It'd be Trooper Brian Boken.
Boken. I have not seen that trooper join the room on my list. You want to make a motion, Counselor?
Your Honor, given this matter was scheduled for an 8:30 a.m. formal hearing, the time currently being 10:11 a.m., I would request the court dismiss this matter.
All right, case dismissed on that.
And Your Honor, I have James Lee Shore for the second one.
City of Detroit, strike that, State of Michigan versus James Lee Shore, case number SX 464-55561. Appearance for the record, please.
Rami Hijazi, P82830, on behalf of James Lee Shore. This is a civil infraction. I would request a waiver of my client's presence. I do have authority on his behalf.
Very well. I'll waive the client's presence. Is Trooper Dang here? Is Trooper Dang here? All right, hearing no response.
Your Honor, given that this matter was scheduled for a formal at 8:30 a.m., the time currently being 10:12, I would request that this matter be dismissed, given the officer hasn't appeared.
All right, grant the motion to dismiss, no officer. Anything else, Mr. Hijazi?
Nothing else. Thank you for your time.
If there's nothing further, be safe, have a good weekend, and we'll see
You
you
as well.
soon.
Thank you.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Owens. Mr. Owens, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. This is a dismissal for compliance.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, case dismissed, Mr. Owens. Have a very good day and best of luck to you, okay?
Yeah, you too.
Thank you. Gets me down to who had Gladney? Anybody have Gladney?
Your Honor, that would be me. Good morning.
Who's, oh, that's.
I'm sorry, Maya Davis.
All right, let me see if I have anyone else. Lewis, Laws.
Laws.
Good, Jerome, good. Let's see, good. Jermaine, good.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Good, Ms. Harris, case number SP 1830927, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1831225, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Good, please state your name for the record.
Jermaine Good.
Okay, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Your Honor, I am requesting an SOS for Mr. Good, as there's no offer currently, and I believe Ms. Horn needed to review his Secretary of State printout.
Good, requested an attorney last time anyway. So we're gonna get him as an attorney in here. Can we find out who that is? Let's pass that matter. Octavius Laws' license is valid.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're ready to call the case.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Laws. Giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what you want to do?
Your Honor, my client has shown valid insurance and registration. We would seek dismissal of these matters.
Officer, in there, part of a woman in a wheelchair who may be stuck on crap.
I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. Laws, for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good day to you.
Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry. Mr. Lewis, I'm sorry. All right. Be safe. Have a very good rest of your day.
Yeah, thank you.
Miss Davis, who's your client?
Yes, I have Anthony Gladney. We're ready.
Turn your TV off, Mr. Gladney, or mute it.
And Your Honor, if the people could have co-host, I'll go in and speak with retained counsel also. Thank you, Judge.
Judge,
You're welcome.
Thomas Welke's still here? Or
He's still here.
Okay, this is his client, Jermaine.
It's his client.
Yes.
I thought I printed out Anthony Gladney off. City of Detroit versus Anthony Eugene Gladney, case number SP 120-83381, SP 181166691. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please the court. Maya Davis, PA 8515, standing in for counsel record, Vasson Johnson II, for Anthony Gladney, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Gladney, can you please state your name for the record?
Anthony Eugene Gladney.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Sergeant Robinson. All right, day is date and time set for trial. Have we worked anything out?
Yes, Your Honor. We have worked, we have come to a resolution. And I just want to be clear, did you call ticket SP14, or case SP14000532 as well? That was a driving with the revoked license, or excuse me, that was a driving while license is suspended and no insurance misdemeanor.
All I called was SP1208338 and SP1811691, a false ID and a revoked driver's license.
Okay, yes, we have come to a resolution on those matters. So the prosecutor has proposed a plea recommendation, and the recommendation would be for my client to plead guilty to supplying the false information to a police officer. That would be a 6-month delay sentence, and then plead guilty to driving with a revoked license.
There was only 2 tickets on there.
Right.
Yes.
So the insurance, it never was a third ticket.
Mr. Gladney, hold on. We'll talk about it.
Officer Stearns, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please? Sergeant Robinson, good morning to you. Can you state your name, badge number, department for the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sergeant Willie Robinson, badge S25, Detroit Police Department.
All right, good morning. Officer Stearns, you got to turn your camera on.
Good morning, Officer Stearns, badge 4512.
All right, good morning to you, Detroit Police Department. What?
Oh, I'm with Detroit Police. I apologize, sir.
Very well. Good morning to you. All right, now what is the offer?
So the offer would be to for my client to plead guilty to supplying false information, and that would be a 6-month delayed sentence. And that's ticket ending in 6691. And for ticket ending in 3381, the driving with revoked license, my client will plead guilty as charged.
As charged to revoke license as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. She had me under the influence that if I took the deal that they was dropping the charge, but
Mr. Gladney, so there's additional tickets, the tickets that I asked for, Your Honor, that weren't called, which I was going to address.
I don't see any additional tickets. Let's get that resolved right now.
Okay.
The additional ticket that he has a no ops. He owes $342 on that. He never paid it. That's already been adjudicated. He had a littering ticket. These are issues that he left in his wake back in 2021. He owes $204. He has a 21 to 25 over. 216 he owes. He has a defective windshield or bumper or whatever back in 2021 as well that he owes 144 on. He has a no insurance proof that he never paid back in 2021. He owes 288 on that. I don't see anything other than what we called. I don't see another no insurance. If you give me a case number, I can look it, but I don't see it.
So this is SP 1400532, and it'll be counts 1 and 2.
Gladney, that's Javon Gladney. Anthony J. Gladney. Case number, birthday 1994.
Yeah.
Understandable. Okay.
That's not him, apparently.
So, Mr. Gladney, nothing's changed from what we've spoken about.
Yeah, I'm just pleading guilty to everything that they charged me with.
It's just the 2. Yeah, that's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like to continue?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to go back and speak to the attorney?
Yeah, I thought that's what the attorney was doing for me, like working in my behalf, but it don't seem like that what happened.
Can we recall the case, Your Honor?
Pass the matter.
Thank you.
Mr. Gladney, go back in the breakout room and she'll come see you, okay?
Right, thank you.
You should be able to hit join down there.
Okay.
All right, let's pass it. Let's pass it. Let me find out who. So this is a lady. If she comes in and she's on the phone, she's coming back at 1:30. You're not going to be playing with me.
Yeah, that was
Those are somebody else's tickets, right?
No, only one of those tickets was someone else.
Okay, that's what I.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm not, you're coming back at 1:30. I'm not playing with you, ma'am. You come
I'm
back
sorry,
at
I
1:30.
can't.
You had your chance. And I don't like when somebody tries to deceive me.
No, I was
All right.
not.
Yes, I believe you were. So that's all that really matters. Because I told you to turn your camera on. I knew you could have turned your camera on because you turned it on in the beginning. And then you refused to by saying your camera didn't work. I'm not going to be playing with you. So come back at 1:30.
Okay, thank you.
On the iPhone, good morning to you. Can you unmute yourself, start your camera and state your name, please?
Manif Obeid?
Obeid?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Manif Obeid, case number SP 1811465 Appearance for the record, please.
Over that's
Erica
Barry
Harris.
Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Obeid.
Manif Obeid?
All right, Mr. Obeid, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Harris. He's not, Mr. Barry's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room. Let's know what you want to do when you come out, please. On the iPhone, can you unmute yourself, start your camera, and state your name, please?
Michael Gresham.
Michael Gresham. Good
Yeah.
morning to you.
Good morning, brother.
City of Detroit versus Michael Gresham, case number U727068825. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gresham. Please state your name for the record. Mr. Gresham, can you state your name for the record?
Michael Gresham.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Gresham, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. She's gonna attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you do not like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's pass the matter. Join the room when you see the prompt. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Obeid. Mr. Obeid,
Yes,
I'm gonna dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your honor.
On the telephone at 313-221-3499. Good morning to you. What is your name, please? Telephone 313-221-3499. On the telephone at 313-221-3499. Good morning to you. What is your name, please?
Yes, I am John Love. I've been trying to get in contact with the guy, Alan Storkins. He keeps saying I'm on mute, and I'm not on mute.
All right, hold on a second. Mr. Grisham, take your hat off and join the breakout room, please.
How do you join the breakout room? Oh, I see it. I see it.
All right, very well. All right. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gladney. Mr. Gladney, I've given you an opportunity again to speak to council. Council, what is your want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. Again, for the record, Maya Davis, PA8515, standing in for counsel of record. Mr. Gladney would like to continue with this plea.
You want to take the deal now, sir?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, please. You swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense? These misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines. 6 month day, Ms. Mathis.
Yes, Your Honor, I understand.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Davis went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
Any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anyone offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to October 1st, 2025 at around 1:28 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Fremont and Redmond. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
In some way, did you do what was going on out there? What
Something happened on my block, and they came and knocked at my door to ask, did we hear anything? And nobody in the house heard nothing. And the officer asked my name, and I knew I had a warrant for traffic, so I didn't want to give him my name, so I gave him a false name.
Yes, Your Honor, Tamika Horner, the city of Detroit. This was a shot spotter event.
All right. So find you guilty for giving the wrong false information. That's a 6-month delayed sentence. $240 is the fine. Let me draw your attention back to see what this other matter. Let me draw your attention way back to August the 1st, 2021, around 11:08 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Gratiot and Bellevue. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes, sir. I could not.
And you couldn't do it because you didn't have one, right?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty as charged. I'm only going to fine him one time. He owes some civil infractions. I'll waive the warrant fee. I'll fine you the $240 for the false information, 6-month delay. The next court date is going to be review, and it's going to be August the 6th, 2026. You pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. You pay it, don't get any trouble like that, and we'll dismiss the case, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor.
Attorney Davis, you have anybody else?
I just have one more. We're almost done. Come to
All right, very well. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Grisham. Mr. Michael Grisham, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, it's my understanding he wants to plead to the amended charge of disorderly conduct with standard conditions. That is his decision, Your Honor.
I know it's not yours, right? You advise him differently, right? But he doesn't want to listen. Raise your right hand. You want to take the deal, sir?
Yeah, I just want it over with, man. Judge, I don't want to deal with nothing.
Listen,
You probably want to just answer the questions the court asks. That's all.
Yeah, I don't want to hear that. That's lame to me. But raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harris went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, I did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, I do not, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're going to give those rights up?
I do.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, they have not.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 4th, 2025, around 9:57 a.m. in the city of Detroit and on Apollon Street. Were you in that area around that date and that time?
Yes, I was.
Did you do something out there to cause a police presence?
Not that I know of.
What do you mean?
I just dropped the individual off and they got pulled over when I was on the way to work. That's it.
Oh, did you see the copy of the ticket, Ms. Harris?
No, Your Honor. We had a discussion about what happened, and I gave advice, and he made his decision.
All right.
And Your Honor, Tamika Horn on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit. May I read the?
You may.
Okay, the Ms. Harris, you.
Well, I don't think I wasn't going to necessarily read it out loud necessarily.
Take a picture and send it to her.
I don't think that's an issue about whether she's clear on what actually transpired, right, Ms. Harris?
That's correct. I don't mind seeing a copy of the ticket, but again, without disclosing what my client and I discussed, we had a discussion. I gave advice. My advice was to get an appointed attorney and have the matter set for trial. My client's decision, given all of his options, was to enter a plea pursuant to the recommendation.
Okay. All right. And you still want to go ahead with your plea, right, Mr. Grisham?
I'll be 100% honest with you, Judge. I actually don't feel like I actually did anything wrong.
I'm just asking a question.
No, you know what? I do want to go to trial about it. I changed my mind.
All right, you need an appointed attorney, or you want to go with one of the attorneys here today?
I go with one of the attorneys that's there today.
All right. Come back on.
With the disclaimer that there's no guarantee that it would be one of the, it may not be us that's here on your next court appearance, but there will be an attorney present that can assist you at that court hearing.
That'll be fine.
Okay.
Come back. February 20th at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You can put it in the phone. Right. I think who's ready? Besides everybody sitting in the courtroom. All right, jury trial. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Good. Mr. Good, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Mr. Good, you want a jury trial? You may.
Yeah, Your Honor. We haven't come up to any type of resolution that's equitable.
He has a valid driver's license.
That's correct, Your Honor.
What is the offer?
I came to look at the Secretary of State record, and I believe it's a violation of basic speed law. And the other one was traffic control device. The people would offer 1 to 5 speed and dismissal of the other 3 counts. 2 counts.
1 to 5.
1 to 5 basic speed.
1 point on your license. You don't want to take that? You don't want to take that $125, or you want a jury trial?
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I didn't quite understand.
1 to 5. It's a 1 point on your driver's license. For $125, stuff will be dismissed, or we can set it for a jury trial.
I don't feel as though I should accept that plea.
All right, that's it.
One point on
That's
my
it.
license, I intend on doing
That's
some
it.
driving
Mr.
for.
Good.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
That's it. You don't
Okay.
want it? Do a jury trial. Let's get a
Sure.
jury trial date.
That's the date of March 10th, 2026, Your Honor. The same date as, yes.
Are you good?
I'm Mr. Good.
No, Mr. Soroki, are you on here for Mr. Good?
I was just recently appointed.
Okay, very good.
Right.
All right, go in the breakout room and discuss it with him.
I did, Your Honor. No, Your Honor, I discussed it. We had a long discussion and we didn't go anywhere. So basically.
Very well, very well. All right, very well.
And Mr. Soroki will be proceeding on the no insurance misdemeanor and the unregistered untitled as far as the jury trial. The judge will be the fact finder for the civil infractions. Because they're civil, they're civil.
All right, so anyway, I think that his main issue are the civil infractions because he's seemed like he may be a commercial operator. So anyway, give me a jury trial date, Miss Harris, Miss Mathis, please.
Okay.
You're not a commercial driver. You're not a commercial driver's license, are you, Mr. Good?
No, but I had intentions on acquiring it. You know, I wanted to make a transition in my profession. And, you know, again, I just don't feel as though I committed an infraction against the city. And I requested that my attorney gather all discovery, which I believe contains exculpatory evidence. So, you know, that's the way I want to move in that direction because I don't believe that they have a case against me because I didn't run a red like
Sir,
signal.
you can't discuss your case with a judge, please.
This is he can say he didn't do it. That's like, you know, but this is Mr. Good. He was on here a couple of weeks ago.
Hey, listen, man. I enjoy you all, but you know, we all got time and to do other things. We're all professionals. And you know, again, I'm looking for equitable resolution. You know what I'm saying to you? I'm not no criminal. You understand? I'm just trying to get on through and live my life. And if had I done anything to break the laws of the city of Detroit, sure, I will open my wallet.
All right.
However, I didn't.
March the 24th is the jury trial date. And then
I have 10, 5, 6 trials on that day. If we can make it like the 20th, I'm sorry, I know you guys only have certain days.
Jury trial date, Miss Mathis, please.
I'm sorry, what in March? I'm looking at February. March 24th. You know what? March 24th is fine. I'm sorry, I was looking at February.
The March 24th is the jury trial date. I don't know if it's going to be, we're going to have a final pretrial on March the 23rd.
March the 23rd. Let me write that down.
At 8:30. And all parties must appear for the final pretrial.
Okay. Final pretrial will be by Zoom. The trial will be in person.
Yep, absolutely. All right.
Thank you.
All righty, sir. Mr. Soroki, you can email me or you can send me the rest of your information so that we can be in contact.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Great day.
You too.
Were you ready on Gully?
Yes, Your Honor.
I can leave, right?
You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
City of Detroit versus Tanzia Alexis Gully. Case number SP182-7599, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP182-7602, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, ma'am?
Taser Alexis Gully.
Taser, I'm sorry, ma'am. I always mess that up, don't I?
Yeah, how you doing, Your Honor?
I'm sorry. I'm well. How about yourself?
Good.
All right. What are we going to do?
Your Honor, defendant's going to plead to disregarding police officers signal or order and to a 3-month delayed sentence. If she has a valid license, the remaining 3 tickets will be dismissed. If she doesn't have a valid driver's license, then she'll be pleading to an additional failure to display.
All right, you want to take that deal, ma'am?
So he said something about points on my license. I didn't understand that part.
You disregard the officer's signal gives you points. There are some offenses that you don't have to be driving, running Miss Scully's license plate. Let's see.
And I wasn't understanding if I take that plea, will I still get points or I just have to pay?
Let's see.
You'll get 2 points. That's 2 points.
So can I go to trial?
You absolutely can.
Because I really don't want no points on my license.
No, you absolutely can.
Because I'm not working right now, and I know I'm gonna have to pay.
You don't have to be working to go to trial.
No, I said I know I'm gonna have to pay if I take that plea, and I don't have a job at this moment. I'm looking for one, so.
That's that. You know something, Miss Scully, you display more rational knowledge than most people that I ever come across. If I didn't have the money, I wouldn't want to go enter into agreement either. You know, but most people don't think like that.
So I think I'm gonna do the trial, sir.
Okay. I wish I had the website to that to the updated Michigan State offense category. I just cannot find it anymore.
You know, if it's changed to disregard officer signal for a non-moving violation, then there's no points for pedestrian.
But they're alleging that she had points. Okay. How do I bookmark this so I don't have to ever look for it again?
You should be able to start it.
Start?
Yeah.
Hold on.
All right, let's see. Just to make
Start and put it in your favorites.
Let's see, driving, disregarding an officer's signal, disobey police officer signal, 2510. That would be, it would be 2 points. If it's written under 257.602. Where's the gully?
That's what it's written under, Your Honor.
Yeah, 2 points. So, all right, she has a valid driver's license. Congratulations on that. All right, let's set a trial date.
Okay.
Trial date will be February the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m., Miss Gully. If it's nothing further, give me the first name again.
Taser.
Taser. If it's nothing further, I'm gonna wish you a very good rest of your day, ma'am, and best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, what's the date one more time, sir?
February 20th.
I can't hear you.
February 20th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
And that's by Zoom, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. Have a blessed day.
You have a better one.
Thank you.
All right, who's next?
I have to talk to John Love and see if he wants to accept the.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Love. Mr.
Okay.
Love, you have to press *6 to unmute yourself, okay? Press *6 to unmute yourself. All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Soroki, and he's gonna talk.
I could put him in 10.
Very well. Mr. Soroki's getting
Thank you.
sophisticated.
Give you guys a little help.
Who's got Goodlet? Mr. Soroki, do you have Goodlet as well?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
That's not Goodlet, Jeremy Goodlet? I think he does. Doesn't he have you?
I just had spoke to a woman, but
Was it Melita Barrett?
Barrett.
Yeah,
Barrett.
but I don't even trust her advice. She can't even make sure we on time. I just it's all old stuff. She could just send me.
Somebody listening. Somebody's taking heed to
No,
good
look,
advice.
seriously though, you can't even tell me to show up on Zoom or what I'm supposed to do. I only talk to you the day of court. You never do a follow up or nothing. So what am I gonna listen to you for? I might as well just stuck it out by myself like I've been doing.
Judge, you want to mute the court or no?
I'll mute it.
Just about to say the same. Thank you, Ms. Williams Law.
No problem.
All right, Miss Barrett.
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus, I know, Jeremy Jacob Goodlet. Case number SP 1389661, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 139-80441. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Jeremy Goodlet. Judge, I had a chance to talk to the city attorney regarding his matters, and there is a plea offer for him to plead to due care and caution, and the balance of his tickets to be dismissed with that plea. And he wants to waive his rights and take that due care and caution utility vehicle.
I think so.
Tell her I'm gonna take it to trial.
He wants to take it to trial.
Oh, he changed? Okay, that's not what he told me earlier. Okay, well, that's fine. What's
All right.
the trial date?
Trial date is going to be February the 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. Here's what I'm going to do. Do you have $90 on you? All right. Allow him to pay reinstatement fee up front. Now, I'm going to allow you to pay the reinstatement fee up front on these two issues.
Okay.
I don't know if these issues, I know that if you pay the reinstatement fee up front on these issues, it'll get you clearances here at the 36th District Court. I do not know whether these get you a valid driver's license, because I don't know what your driver's license looks like in other jurisdictions.
No, I'm ready right now.
All right. You don't have any issue in other jurisdictions?
I got East Point at 1 o'clock, but that's a dismissal years ago too.
All right, here we go. Miss Mathis, can you put, and we need a file too. I don't know if we have problem. Can we allow him to pay the reinstatement fee up front? Miss Mathis is going to get you some paperwork. If you pay that, it'll get you clearances here. Go to the Secretary of State, see if you can get a valid driver's license. If you can get a valid driver's license, you've accomplished like one of the major hurdles I'm sure that you're looking for. Other than that, if you can't get a valid driver's license, they should be able to give you a printout. And you ask them for a printout, they'll give you everything that's affecting your license. Okay. All right. These two. Now, that one no insurance, $288. I'm allowing you to pay the $45 reinstatement fee. We're not going to hear that case because it's so old. You're going to have to pay that off with the expectation. Now, the other stuff, and I think you owed another civil infraction as well. The other stuff, the misdemeanors, those will be adjudicated hopefully on February 20th. You don't have to come in. You can zoom in. You know, you can zoom in. You can even call in. I've seen your face. I know what Mr. Goodlett looks like, and I know your voice. But other than that, when Miss Mathis gets that in the system, go down there, pay the reinstatement fees, and then we'll see if that gets you a valid license. All right. Do you have contact with Miss?
No, I need her number. I don't have her number at all.
All right, Miss Barrett. He needs to be able to contact you.
313. 3. Is he ready?
Yes.
313 622 6899.
I have it.
All right. If it's nothing further, February 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I wish you the best of luck. All right.
Is it a way that I can get something for each place state that I gotta pay that fee to drop that one with that insurance to get reinstated?
No, they're gonna give you a clearance downstairs.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Should.
Go to the window and let them know I'm detected.
Yeah. As soon as she gives it, she'll give you the paperwork. All right. Are we ready on that? Who are we ready on, Ms. Davis?
John Love, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit, thank you, versus John Love Jr. Case numbers U725-82225. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your full name for the record, sir?
John Love.
All right, good morning to you, Mr. Love. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. What does Mr. Love want to do, Mr. Soroki?
Your Honor, Mr. Love has rejected the offer of the prosecution, and he's requesting a bench trial in this matter.
All right, that's what you want to do, Mr. Love?
Yes, sir. They keep offering me the same thing. I don't want it.
February 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, Mr. Love, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day.
Mr. Love, is this going to be by in person, Your Honor? Because Mr. Love is on the phone and it's not using the proper Zoom technology. So if he doesn't have ability to use Zoom, then he's going to have to be in person. I'll be in town on 20th. It's fine.
Do you have the ability to Zoom in, Mr. Love?
Well, I have a Zoom, but every time I download the Zoom, I get them the meeting ID. I don't have a password, like far as my name, and I'm making up a password. I don't have a password I have the ID y'all gave, but I don't have a password to actually get in. It always say the host meeting, and then I get to that part, and it's just irrelevant.
Well, you're going to have to figure it out, or you're going to have to come on in, okay?
Okay, well, can I get directions? What is this the same? Is this 36th district or this the new one on East Warren?
I think the best way probably, I don't know about your device, whether you have a Zoom. I think the best way is just to go to 36th District Court and go to the drop-down menu and go to virtual courtroom and then join my courtroom via Zoom, courtroom 535.
535. Okay, perfect.
Join by Zoom.
Okay. I think that's probably what I might have to do, just what that is, because if it's any other way I could, but this is the only way. If I was to call them, they would have told me to call. Because if I call, I just want to know virtually they get your number is 535.
Yep, courtroom 535. If you can't figure it out, then I need to see you in person, okay?
Okay, virtually. All right, I'm gonna call.
All right.
All right.
Best of luck to you, Mr.
Okay, so February 20th at what time?
At 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, Mr. Love.
Thank you.
Hey, have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
Anyone else, Mr. Soroki?
No, Your Honor, that was it for the day.
All right, be safe.
Thank you, same.
Newman, anybody, you have any ready on anybody? Anyone else?
Hello, Your Honor. Is there a way I can speak to the prosecutor?
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, but the offer stands. I sent you my telephone number and gave you the offer.
Okay.
Going to 4.
Thank you.
I have another funeral to go to.
Today?
Yeah.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Sorry. Yes.
Sorry for the loss.
My thank you.
I had a penny for every time I heard that in the last year.
Hello, Your Honor. We're ready to proceed on this.
All righty. It's called the City of Detroit versus Ibrahim Mohammed Ahmed Omar, case number SP 182-89081. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Attorney David Newman appearing on behalf of the defendant, Ibrahim Omar, PA 2515.
And for your purpose, good morning to your purpose of your client's presence, you retain counsel,
I am retained.
and you have authority to enter into an agreement on your client's behalf.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Day is date and time set for a formal hearing. Officer Dobowski, is he still here?
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
Officer Dobowski, good morning to you. State your name, badge number, department for the record, please.
Yes, Officer Dobowski, Detroit Police, badge 4916.
Okay. All right. What kind of resolution did we get to, if we got to any at all?
Yes, Your Honor. I did have an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor, and we reached a resolution to amend the original citation to a speed 1 to 5.
All right, $125. You stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis?
So stipulate, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. Pay it by February 19th. Nothing further, Counselor. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right,
And
Officer
Your Honor,
Belsky, you be safe out there.
Thank you, Your
okay,
Honor. Thank
bye,
you.
Delbos. Your Honor, just wanted to check on if Iristine Lawson checked in at 9 o'clock for trial.
I haven't seen anyone else. There's no one else here, I don't think. Oh, we got Green and Laws. Green and Laws. No, it's no one else.
Okay,
Everybody's excused.
okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Kenneth Lewis did show. Oh, Franklin said no recollection, but his client owned Laws. So Franklin, Officer Franklin did say for Laws, no recollection.
Thank you for that. We were wondering, I was wondering if he checked in. Okay.
I think so. So Laws doesn't have anything then, right?
Just the trooper, the wrong way street.
The trooper, he came in late.
Oh, I'll let you handle that one, Judge.
He came in late. Trooper, not wrong way. It's no license. I think Miss Laws has a license as well.
I'm thinking the troopers, the last 2 cases,
She's got and no ops.
Is that Officer Franklin, Judge?
Okay. Okay.
It's Officer Franklin for Laws. He called, remember, and he said, didn't you tell me he said no?
He also has Kyle Lucas as well.
Kyle Lucas never showed.
Material laws, he said no, he's dismissing.
Natavia Laws, Kyle Lucas never showed. All right, let's Mr. Green, good morning to you. It's the city of Detroit versus Darnell James Green. Case number SP 1809069, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning,
Good morning.
Darnell Green.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Darnell Green. Judge, Mr. Green, go ahead, Mr. Green. You could tell the judge your name.
Good morning. My name is Darnell Green.
We're requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want, Mr. Green?
Yes.
Trial date, February 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, thank you.
All right, Ms. Barrett, be safe.
Yeah,
All right, Mr. Okay, so I'm sorry. Let me correct myself. Trooper did not come in late. It was set for 9 a.m. He came right after 9 o'clock. Okay. Okay, let me correct myself. Good morning, Trooper Kane.
Morning, sir.
Let me put a. Trooper was not late. I thought Trooper had I thought he had a civil infraction set for 8:30. He came in just after 9 a.m. and that makes him on time.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. I'll make counsel aware. Thank you, Trooper.
All right, very well. Tell you what, though, Miss Laws has a valid driver's license now. She took her a while, but she got it. Let's see. The payment plan too.
I'm stepping on for just 1 second. Judge.
Very well. All right, let's call it. This is the city of Detroit versus Natavia Laws, case numbers SP 1808189, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 180819991, SP 1844613, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1844639, SX 46236168, counts 1, 2, and 3. That's the state of Michigan versus Natavia. Appearance for the record, please.
Hi, good morning again, Your Honor. Maya Davis, PA8515, standing in for Counsel Record Vassalin Johnson II for Ms. Laws, who's appearing via Zoom. Ms. Laws, can you please turn your camera on and state your name for the record?
Hello, Natavia Laws.
All right. All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
All right, so for SP 1808119, strike that. SP 1808189, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 180819991. Those cases are going to be dismissed. Officer Franklin did appear. He indicated that he had no recollection. I'll dismiss him on the court's own motion.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so have we got it? Trooper Kane, good morning to you. Can you put your name, badge number, department on the record, please?
Sergeant Michael Kane, badge 306, Michigan State Police.
I'm sorry, Sergeant Kane, I'm sorry. Day is the date and time set for a formal hearing and / trial on those matters. Have you got any resolution on those?
Yes, Your Honor. I did have the opportunity to speak with Madam Prosecutor. The people has proposed a plea recommendation, which my client would like to take advantage of. So the recommendation would be to plead responsible on count 1. That would be the driving the wrong way on a one-way street, and a dismissal of counts 2 and 3, the obstructed vision, the window tint, and the no ops.
All right, that's the best they're willing to do on the wrong way driving?
And Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. Trooper, did you also write another no-op on that one? I thought we just had the 2 civil infractions.
It was a no-op. It was a no-op.
Awesome.
Miss Laws has a valid license now.
Right. Okay.
Hard to get a valid license. Now, let me say this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 other matters. I don't know why they're not on the docket. SP 1844613, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 184463991. Improper equipment, no valid registration, no insurance proof, and expired plate. Can we get an updated offer on those as well?
And what's the officer, are those matters set for trial today or another day, Your Honor?
No, they look to be in default for some reason. January 12th, they went into default.
Okay, I can speak with Madam Counsel about that one too, but the wrong way, that's the people are asking her to plead as charged to that based on the facts I received from Sergeant Kane. So Miss Davis, did you want to go back in room 4?
We can. Yeah.
On the other civil infractions? Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Miss wrong way driving is
2. Yep.
Wrong way on one-way street. Is that what it was?
Yes, Your Honor, and Ms. Davis and we did go to the index to confirm the points and the penalties.
2 points.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead back in and renegotiate those other 4 civil infractions, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's pass the matter. All right, did we come to a resolution?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, what's going to be the resolution?
The people are going to move to dismiss those defaulted civil infractions. The people have considered that she does have a valid driver's license. We're happy for that, and she can just deal with the current charge with Sergeant Kane.
All right, you want to take the deal, Miss Laws? It's just the wrong way driving, and all the other matters are dismissed. 2 points. I don't know what wrong way driving is going to cost, but we'll figure that out. You want to take that, Miss
Yeah.
Laws?
Yes.
I stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the
So-
response
So
plea on your
stipulated,
client.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
Find your client responsible as charged to wrong way driving. Let's see what they say the fee is for that. Wrong way driving, $130, Miss Laws. When can you pay?
I'm not working at the moment. I just had a baby 2 weeks ago. Can I get a little time to pay that?
Pay it by March the 5th, 2026. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or you told you could come down. You can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come down in person and pay it. Or you can just come down and get into a payment plan. You'd have to do that in person, I think. Congratulations on your newborn, Ms. Laws. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. I got a question, Your Honor.
What's your question?
Can I get proof that those other tickets were dismissed?
You're gonna have to get that off of the website when Ms. Mathis puts it in. You're gonna have to go to the website and get that off of there, okay?
Okay, but it is in the system that those have been dismissed?
Not yet. It should be in there by this afternoon, right, Ms. Mathis? It's short, yeah. All right. Be safe, Ms. Laws. Best of luck to you, all right?
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Kane, Sergeant Kane, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Deontay Carl, Jerome, London. Strike that. That's the state of Michigan versus Deontay Carl, Jerome, London. Case number SX444-83801. Appearance for the record, please.
Deontay London.
Harris, on behalf, sorry.
No, pardon me. Elwood Asbury.
Go ahead, Mr. Berry. I apologize.
I apologize. Please do this for me.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. London, please state your name for the record.
Deontay London.
Mr. London, good morning to you. Ms. Harris is going to attempt to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with her. We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond, all right? Join the room. Let us know what you want to out, please. You want to run his license?
London?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that's fine. Go ahead. I don't know if he has. Go ahead and speak to him, Ms. Harris. Yes. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. London. Mr. London, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
I would ask if the court could check the status of his license.
License is valid. He owes, I'm going to dismiss the case, Mr. London. You already owe for that 21 to 25 over $216. You owe another $45 plus $45 on some old cases, and this $50 warrant fee. I'm gonna waive that. All right.
I appreciate it.
If it's nothing further, I didn't even address about not being on time. I'll leave that alone. All right. Best of luck. It. Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. That was easy. All right. Let's call that a morning. Miss